In this video, I'll show you how to increase Cash App borrow limit. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. So to increase your borrowing limit on Cash App, first is you need to build a positive borrowing history and demonstrate responsible use of the app's borrowing features, alright? So now, what we need to do is go here at Cash App Help, wherein Cash App lets you send and receive up to $1,000 within any 30-day period. And if you have verified your identity using your full name, date of birth, and your social security number, and then you will have higher limits. Now, if Cash App are unable to verify your account using this information, they may ask you to provide additional information. And if, say, for example, they're unable to verify anybody under the age of 18, or if you are under 18, you have to learn more about how you can use the Cash App Cash Families, right? Now, to locate limits in the app, all you're gonna do is tap the profile icon on the top right corner, tap limits from the account and settings section here, right here, and you can also view limits in the app by scanning the QR code below. Say, for example, you're lost during the whole navigation process and you can't check on how you can increase limits. All I'm gonna do is go to and contact support, go to your profile icon, check support right here, and then you need to state your situation and describe your situation on how you wanted to increase your Cash App's borrowing limit. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.